Good evening. This is market recap for February 18th, a little bit late. Well, the S&P all-time high close. We broke this little tight bar bearish and closed bullish on it. So this is like I said, this is going to be it's when we go on these bull runs, it can be very choppy but upward. It's just small ranges. It's hard to get positioned and it can get extended for periods of time, and we're kind of starting to see that our volume's dropping off. It's hard to play these, but when you're in them, they're really good, and it's just getting positioned. That is the main thing. So today, ES is still just about to hit its all-time high. This is after hours, so we are in the next futures day, but we are right there. We came close this morning on our in the initial push of the day, and then we shot down, and then we bounced for the rest of the day. As you can see, this is what we look like, and now we're still bouncing and we're heading back up again. But this is after hours. So NQ, what did I tell you? This is exactly what I was watching to play out. I'm like, well, this is an important level. If we fail to break above this, we just pushed back, pulled back, and we literally back tested this and are going now. It's exactly playing out how I thought it would. One of the options, yeah. The Russell. So we did start daily consolidation, but we immediately got bought up, and we closed just at the 50 moving average. So we're still in this equilibrium. If that's just putting in the quick higher low, that's a good sign. But we still have this major resistance here. That is the most important thing. So we're still in this equilibrium until that changes. The Dow cup and handle, still extended handle parts. We still closed above the 12 moving average. It's looking good. As I said, this can continue to tighten up for quite a period of time before it decides to shoot one way or another. But as long as we are holding the 0.382, we are bullish. We've got a double bottom and a double top here. Triple or quadruple top with all these tops here. But if we break that, this is a very good. This could be a like I said, what's pulling us up between that and the tech sector and finance, which is in the Dow as well. SMH continue its bounce. We're still waiting for this to top out. The hourly trend is kind of our guide, and once we lose that, we will see. But we're still in gap fill territory. We did actually gap up a bit. I don't know if we 253.22. Yeah, we left a little bit of a gap here, I think. 253.22. 253.34. Yeah, there's a bit of a gap that we've left behind now. Doesn't have to fill, but I'm thinking probably when we fill this gap, we might come back test this, and which is we could back test this previous high that we broke out of. But yeah, semis are looking good. They are pulling up the market now. The semis, the finance sector, industrials, the AI is still pulling us up. Exactly what we need to go into a bull run. So everything's looking good. XLF closing near the high. XLV, yeah, not the best. We're confirming our daily downtrend. We just held the 50 and the 200 moving average right now, so we need to hold this, ideally. IBM, we actually hit a new all-time high after hours, but since it's after hours, I'm not really counting it, and it did pull back after. But this is why I'm positioned. I also I'm explaining this trade, why I made it. I bought the first hourly oversold from the all-time high. I bought one position here, and I bought a second position here. I think I bought 260s here, and I bought 250s here, and I immediately got out of my position here, or got 25% on that one, and I think I sold this one on this day here. And now that's why I have 2 free positions ready to go for this all-time high run. And this is exactly why I bought Meta today. It's the exact same setup. It was the 1 hour oversold, first hour 1 hour oversold, and at the 12 moving average. That's exactly what happened on Meta today. We'll go over that in a second. Palantir, just absolute bull. We will see where this is going. That's anybody's guess, but I don't know. We've hit my target now. I said mid 120s. We hit 125. 125 I think was my initial target. But with what's happening here, now we have increasing volume. Everything's looking good for this just to keep going. Yeah, but we are so extended on every time frame. This will die soon, in the near future anyways. Tesla, inside bar on this, we've got the 12 moving average overhead. I said if we hit the 50 moving average, I'm going to cut more of my position, but we're still in the daily bounce. We've made enough room to potentially get a higher low, barring any news. But yeah, we will see. We have decreasing volume on this bounce, so yeah, we'll see where this inside bar breaks. RGTI, a bit of a rough day, losing the 50 moving average. Now we're kind of looking at potential gap. We want to hold this gap. We left this gap. Now we want to hold this gap if we do see further downside. If not, I guess we will fill this gap. And yeah, we're not looking overly good. This daily bear flag confirmed. And we need to change the hourly trend first off. Something needs to change. BABA, continuation. I wouldn't be surprised to see this in the 150s or hit 150 in short order. That is the bear flag, the 0.382 of the entire drop. So on the 3-month, that would be the 0.382 for a bear flag. All right. So that's kind of my target with my options right now. I would be inclined to buy first hourly oversold at this point because we've got a change in momentum now. So give me hourly oversold, the 12 moving average or 8 moving average, and I'd be happy there. Nvda, still bouncing on the day. Just need to wait when this move tops up. We're expecting a lower high than 148.97, most likely scenario, but we've made lots of room now just to get a higher low at this point. We might back test these EMAs here, but NVDA looks good. Microsoft still just tightening up here on the oh yeah, we've got a 4-hour equilibrium on watch. We want this to break bull. So that is top watch for Microsoft, which direction this 4-hour equilibrium breaks. TSM, just an inside bar, nothing really going on. We're stuck at the 12 and 50 moving averages here. Apple, inside bar on the day. We're still looking for a lower high, that daily lower high than this, and we've made lots of room to set a higher low than here. Reddit, as I was saying there, since we lost the 12, I'm like, we could easily come down to the 50. I might get interested here if it's 4-hour oversold. Yeah, we'll probably be 4-hour oversold if we get down to the 50. I'd be interested, yeah. So what is the 50 round? I'd be interested on a break of 180. Break of 180? Yeah, break of 180. That would get me interested. And I'm just going to go over Meta. Okay, so this is exactly why I took the trade. Just like IBM coming from an all-time high. We went a little past the 12 moving average, but we saved it. We hit hourly oversold. I bought 709.50, I believe was the level that I bought. And I bought March calls, but that was around the price when I bought them. And I'm already up 13% from this 1% move. So if we were to see another little 1% move on the open, I would be sold my 25. I would have a 25% profit and be risk-free at that point. So I wanted to get position for Meta because we could just like IBM, we come down hard quick and then just bounce, see how the bounce goes. But this is the first hourly oversold since all-time highs. And that's all I'm going to do. It was, it's a little bit of a shorter video today. I was stuck in traffic for a long time, so it kind of ate up my time. Anyways, I will see you in the morning for pre-market, see if anything changes. Bye.